yeah. Oh.
The mischief of today.
The start of. Hopefully, this is all in one video. So at the end of this, we should be four-wheel driving in this Zook.
Oh, and the trailer back.
Yeah, when we get the trailer back. So, plan for today is, I don't know which one we're going to pull apart first. So we pull apart the one that we know is good.
I think we pull apart the broken one.
See how much of a mission.
I think that makes more sense.
And then take the good parts out of this one.
Yes.
Depending on what that looks like in there, because if it looks the same, if it looks like that one in there, then we'll just swap parts of that one and just use this one. Because that's the only bad thing I can say about this one.
Yeah, true that actually.
Is that. All that.
Casing's all chipped off around there.
So if that one looks the same, then we might as well just take all the good, all the bits we need off this one, put it in that one, and then go put it back in.
Yeah.
It's not going to be any better, so.
100%.
Oh, so yeah, we might as well just strip this, see what we're dealing with.
Yep.
And then go from there.
Yep. I like the idea.
Bang.
Let's hit it.
Sweet. Dylan's car's a bit broke. Just like, as soon as you lost it,
Oh, so good.
The cylinder was down, so that makes sense. Turbo line. Oh, yeah. Oh, mate, you gotta watch that YouTube. Oh, bad fab. This is actually quite.
I would hold the Suzuki.
Yeah.
Must be real cold under the Suzuki.
There's a lot of metallic in there.
Oh no.
Yeah, there's. Oh, it was supposed to be a gear there.
I feel like that's the bit we need, bro. And it's not in that one.
Oh,
That's what's broken.
that's a count.
That's exactly what's broken. Look.
Yeah.
Okay, we need to go buy one of those gears.
Fuck! So much for an easy job.
Probably shouldn't be under there, to be honest.
Nah,
Oh,
the seats are not in.
then bolt them back in.
Nah. Got fish pond too.
Oh yeah, just the tiny one. That's right. This thing is going to have a lot more water in it than this.
Yeah, well that's the goal.
That's dry, that's the main.
Yeah. Oh. After that unsuccessful mission,
Yeah, that
she's
was,
out again.
So yeah. I went to go price up some parts. We're just waiting for the parts to be priced up. So then we can get this thing moving again.
With four-wheel drive.
Or four drive.
So in the meantime,
Yeah.
what's the plan?
Well, we might as well just finish cutting the roof off.
Yeah.
And then we've got these guards here. Some new guards for it.
Aren't too dinged up.
Aren't too dinged up.
Oh.
And then we acquired
Some
there was another
flares.
set of guards. These
Over
ones
there.
here, I'll grab them. But they're obviously off like a Jimny or a Samurai or something.
Yeah, not quite the Escudo.
They're a lot longer than these guys. Well, not a lot, but they like stick out the front of the car a lot further, and it doesn't fit the.
Yeah, now chuck her on, chuck her on. Show what they look like. You got an extra 6 inches.
Yeah, that's 6 inches, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, an extra 6 inches there.
It's enough for this car.
Doesn't really fit too well, and you could bring this out a bit further, but
You need the headlights and
then the bonnet
everything.
doesn't come to the right point, and headlights need to come out. So
Yeah.
we just took the flares because these look exactly the same as them.
Yeah. Stole the flares.
Flares off. They
Lo and behold,
actually fit perfectly.
they line up with everything.
So,
Wabam, wabam, wabam.
nice,
So we'll be sticking those on.
they can go on.
Pow.
I'm gonna chuck those in the front. I'm gonna change the front tyres.
And the rears.
And the rears. Because I don't know if we mentioned. This is why the transfer case blew up. Because
Different size.
different size tyres on the front and back. So you look at the height of that compared to that.
That look.
So I was trying to spin those faster than those.
Yeah.
Something. One of the way around, which was not, the transfer case was not enjoying. Fucking men.
Yo. Looks good. Yeah, boy. You know, it doesn't look like the easiest job in the world.
Alright. Well, might as well just hit it.
Yeah, right, hit it.
Okay.
Hit it, little Johnny.
I was watching it slowly peel away,
Mm.
and then it just obviously.
But she's gonna just collapse.
Like,
Yeah. Just clear your shins, and I'll pull it this way a little bit as it falls. Yep. Oh, well, in that case, I'll just. Oh, it's one little thread up and over here.
oh, yep.
couple wiggles and she'll come off. Probably held on by the headliner. And then knife, craft knife.
Oh, I've got that really sharp one I found in the set.
Oh, mate.
Probably shouldn't be under here.
Nice.
More scrap still.
Yep. It's just a new hood.
Yeah, hard actually.
Oh yeah, little hard coverage.
Yeah.
Alright, that's looking good. Can't wait to put plexiglass in there. Just see everywhere behind you.
That looks so sick.
So when we're driving along, have like a GoPro up
Yeah,
here.
and you'll be able to see.
See everything behind us and what's going on.
Wait, this is what it's actually going to look like though.
This is what the way to go.
Like that.
Yeah, that's fair. That's fair.
Yeah, that's sick. Mean.
So is that what we're doing next? We're
I
doing
think so.
wheels or?
Should we do this next? We'll do the
Yeah, that's fun. That's fun. Let's do that.
Yeah, let's do this. Mean.
Sweet. Ugh.
Yeah, mate.
So yeah.
Alright. Alright, sweet.
I don't need to cut the whole way to this. I'm just going to cut a little bit out of this area.
Sweet.
And then might as well cut that off, eh?
Might as well.
Why not?
I'll pat this down with my finger, but that should be heaps. Nah, I reckon you need more. No,
Load up your side, load up your side.
Poo some in there.
Oh yeah, you got a bit more room than me. Ready for some ooze?
Make sure it stays level with the ooh. Yeah, mate, that's
Okay.
good right there.
I'm gonna put the camera down.
It should stay. Hey, look at that.
Wowie.
That is a
Sick
that is
modification.
a set, mate. One of a kind. We have to put a spacer on that. We have one of
Oh
those weird
yeah.
ones. Oh well.
Just
we
cuts the wing out.
Yeah, buddy.
She looks good. She looks way better now. Nice and square.
I can't wait to put the guards on it, change the wheels so it's got a full set of.
I just can't wait for the plexiglass to seal it in, and then we make up these little door bars.
Yeah, and then paint off. And that's gonna look sick.
Good enough for a blind man.
Hit the Ugga Dugga, mate.
Ugga dugga dugga dugga. Hopefully it's in drive. Oh. Just like the NASCAR drivers.
I think the handbrake only runs this wheel, eh?
I mean, not really.
That's definitely tight. Because the other wheel spins freely.
Oh, like very free.
Like, it was spinning when I was using the Ugga Dugga.
Ah.
That's got a bit. See what if we can drop handbrake.
Ready?
No, it's just tight. Boom!
Oh man.
Alright.
Now let's put the...
Yeah, now let's. Why is the back so high? Oh, because we've cut stuff out of it.
Yeah, you can wait. Hold on, I'm just about to jump.
Yeah, you jump in the back of it.
How about now?
I mean, it looks better. Didn't really do much. Yeah?
The shocks feel pretty good.
Yeah. You know, they're good.
Oh, the wing.
Oh, Dylan. Up to its side.
Okay, I'll jump out.
It might have helped it a bit though, you know?
Got a bit of air in there.
We'll say that.
Yeah.
On my side, looking good.
That's pretty good.
There's a lot to dry there.
Yeah. Just, yeah. Okay, we won't do that again.
No.
Oh, these...
No, I think this should be pretty dry.
Yeah. I mean, they've been dry for a while. That's dry. That's definitely dry.
Should be the thicker bits on the inside.
I mean, it should hold though if we're just gentle with it.
Yeah.
Okay. Where's the prop?
The stick.
The stick.
Beauty.
Okay. And I have some bolts somewhere from something.
To make it work. I don't need two.
Okay. We'll put those on, see what it looks like.
Oh yeah. I got those bits. Oh yeah, check that fitment out. Perfect. Couple good whacks.
Mint. Now it'll start. What?
Now it looks better.
Dreams are free.
Oh. Should have brought a jump pack.
Oh well.
Oh well. Good day worth of effort.
Put it away. Oh. He comes out of the ignition before it's actually on. Mean.
Sweet.
I reckon we try and find some sort of front film for it, you reckon?
I reckon we just make one.
Make one again.
Do some of
Yeah, now
that
it's-
bronze.
I'll prop the speed up.
That's gonna be so good.
You know, like a show and shine.
A show and shine after we give it a paint job.
Yeah.
We just need a cage so we can enter some competition.
Cage windows.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah, that was me. That's like, you know, that's like anything.
Too special?
Too special, but I enjoyed it.
It's gonna work. Yeah, that's hilarious. Didn't need to be on,
No.
but it's good.
I mean, I acquired it somehow. Now it's on there.
Chuck it on.
And it looks good. It doesn't. I mean, it doesn't look bad.
It'll probably fall off at
It's
some
sort of
point.
like a joke, I suppose. But
Oh, see how long it lasts.
yeah. No, I can't wait. Transfer case, we got some, yeah, like I said, we got some gears coming hopefully.
Got something on the way.
So, should be able to rip this thing soon
Yeah.
down the river.
Yeah, as soon as I get my trailer back, got
Yeah.
the transfer case in it, we'll wait.
We're away. We're
Yeah,
away.
boy.
Mean.
Oh,
Hope you enjoyed.
see you in
you
the next one.
Oh, mate, you got to watch our YouTube. Oh, Bad Fab.